2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, center armrest, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, HD radio, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.